So this is from the message from the training of our CEO, Mr. Lim Bun Hong. So he says their glasses are full and you won't be able to influence them. So he refers to networkers, no, people who are networkers, people who are from other networking and direct selling companies. So he said they will have conflict of interest mostly. Otherwise, if you cannot convince them, surely they will convince you and you will end up to join in their company. So try hard, there's a different result. So find people who know how to do business. People will come to you if you are the right person for them. So they think you are the right person. They think they can help you can help them become successful in Reway, then they can join you. Have you been then you can ask yourself, have you been a good person to others? If we do things, we must do it beautifully, wholeheartedly. You have to be a collaborative, but it's not easy to match the value, the standard, the reality, the quality of the other person. So to work with us in Reway, we just want a steady progress, stable income, steady result, sustain business, to sustain our business. Because if you plan to expand your business, especially if you get out of your comfort zone of your area, of your city, of your province, so you when you open the market, you plan to go to another city, to another country, to another place, you need resources, enough resources, um products with you. But it is wise if you just stay in the countries where we have branches. So you won't find difficult, or don't have challenges with the products. You can have it right away to your clients, to your new members and leaders. So here, the CEO always educate us to take care of each other, because every person who join our company, our team or organization, they are our business partners. So if you help them become successful, they become successful, you become successful also, they earn, you also earn. So everything will depend on every decision we make today. So today, or every single month, you must have a goal for your team, a goal for yourself, because if you become successful in Reway, eventually your family will benefit. Of course, your family, you can influence your relatives, your family to join also in Reway. So here, it says that how much can you change people's life? It depends to you. So like here in the Philippines, we can help a lot of people. There are like 65% of them who are, we can say cannot afford this product, but they are the people who really need the product. So if we can reach out to them, we can guide them how to do this step by step. If they are willing to join us and to cooperate, then eventually they will become also successful. But always take note that we have to look for quality people, people who are ready to become successful, who are open-minded, like a sponge, willing to be trained, no resistance. They are willing to empty their cup and follow the culture of the company. So um here we must learn to look also deep inside, which is what we call people. So they are the backbone of our organization. We have a team, we have a group, if we have people, so we can find one at a time, help him understand the culture of Reway, that here in Reway is not only getting money, it's more than that. Meaning you can have money and product, but there are more that you can enjoy in this company. So we need to work in a pace where we can match the standard and culture of each different country, because right now in 2025 we are already in 13 countries with several headquarters, okay, and more than 60 offices. In the Philippines, there are already 6 offices in just 8 years, and 2 more coming. So because it is very important that these people will follow and understand the culture of the company. Also in these countries, okay, we need also to understand the culture of each country that we want to market.